So we're just walking in.
I think we walk into. All right, Mr. Slager, we got to clean up after all those teachers that used your room.
I know, look at that.
The-
Oh my gosh, they wrote all over
They
my
wrote all
board.
over your. Oh, that's kind of a big number, isn't it?
Yeah, do you even know how to say that number? Let's see, what would that be?
All right, well, let's do place values. Ones, tens. Let's get a pointer.
Oh yeah.
Hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s. You got a zero over there. Doesn't matter. 384,000. 920 and 57. Tenths.
Hundreds. So that must be like the annual salary for a principal at our school,
Maybe.
or maybe the superintendent.
Could I?
300.
It's not how much I make.
No,
No.
in 10 years. So what would that make? Let's see. So,
But they didn't label it as the ones place and the tens place.
Why wouldn't they do that?
But they did it. They did it with exponents. 10 to the 1 is 10. That's the tens place. 10 to the 2 is 100. That's the hundreds place. 10 to the 3 is 1,000. 4, 5. I guess you don't even have to know the names if it's just 10 to the 7 or 10 to the 8 or 10 to the 9.
Oh yeah, because that pattern would just keep going, right?
It goes the other way too. 10 to the negative 1 divide by 10, that's a tenth. 10 to the negative 2 divide by 100, that's a hundredth. And so on. How about 10 to the 0? That's 1. So they didn't name their place values with the traditional names, they named them with powers of 10.
Oh, that's cool. So this is like, didn't we study exponents?
We just studied exponents.
So like, if I was gonna write this, that's this,
10 times 10,
which is
100. It's 10 to the second.
all right, that's cool. That's cool.
But
What else did they leave around?
the science teachers left some numbers. And this one.
Do we know what that's called?
That must be the notation they use in science
In
class.
science.
So it's scientific notation.
No, that is some very scientific notation. Yeah.
Where's our 10 to the thirds in our chart?
Right here.
So this number must start there with a 5.
So a 5 here. I think I should erase these now. But it would be like 5,
And then a 6 and then a 7.
and then just keep going. 6, 7. What do I do with these?
Placeholder 0, right?
0.
5,670. It's just a different way to write 5,670 because it's in the 10 to the thirds
It
place.
doesn't really save us much space on a little number like this, but man, if that was like a 12
Or a 30.
or 30, that would definitely save us.
What's
save us
the
space.
what's the other number they left us? Here. Oh, yeah, that is it. 4.8 times 10 to the minus 2. So it must start at the 10 to the minus 2s
Here?
there. And it's starts with a 4 and then an 8. But the decimal's way over here.
Another placeholder?
Another placeholder.
So how would I read that one? I think I'd say
You got to find your place.
tenths,
Tenths,
hundredths,
thousands,
So
40.
I don't have to read that. So
No.
48
thousands. I bet we could do something else with these. Let's clean up and try.